Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to whatever item that you want to order. So I need to proceed to my checkout page. So I press Buy Now button, select exactly which item I want to order, and now at my checkout page I want to scroll down to summary section, and here I can see line saved. So this is basically saved amount of money that gave me my coins. So if I tap here, I will see that I have used 1 coin and that gave me this little discount. And also if I tap again, I can select if I don't want to use any coins this time, but of course I want to use my coins. Basically when you want to use your coins on AliExpress, all you have to do is literally nothing, because AliExpress automatically deducts your coins. But one thing with coins on AliExpress is that you should always look out for items that say extra % off with coins. And what I mean by that, if I go back to my item, then scroll down, I can see here line extra 1% off with coins. So that means I can get my discount using my coins. For example, if I open another item, scroll down, I simply cannot see this line because this item does not support this type of discounts. So you should always look for items that mention this discount. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.